Hello everyone. Today's agenda is genome informatics. In this session, we will get an overview of genome informatics, its importance, trends, bioinformatic tools, programming languages, skills required, roadmap, and project ideas. So, what is gene informatics? Gene informatics is a multidisciplinary field that combines computational biology, statistics, and information technology to analyze and interpret genomic data. It focuses on the development of algorithms, software tools, and databases that facilitate the management, analysis, and visualization of vast amounts of genetic information generated by high throughput sequencing technologies. The field plays a crucial role in understanding genetic variations, gene functions, and the relationships between genes and diseases. Now, we will discuss importance of genome informatics. Genome informatics is essential for several reasons. First, disease understanding. By analyzing genomic data, researchers can identify genetic mutations associated with diseases. For example, in cancer research, genome informatics helps pinpoint mutations that drive tumor growth, leading to targeted therapies. Then, personalized medicine. It enables the development of personalized treatment plans based on an individual's genetic makeup. This approach is exemplified by pharmacogenetics, where drug responses are tailored according to genetic variations. Then, evolutionary biology. Comparative genomics allows scientists to study evolutionary relationships between species by analyzing their genomes. This has implications for understanding biodiversity and species conservation. Lastly, public health. Genome informatics aids to tracking diseases, outbreaks, and understanding pathogen evolution, which is vital for public health responses. Now, let's go through current trends in genome informatics. First, cloud computing. The migration of genome informatics to cloud platforms allows for scalable storage and processing capabilities, accommodating the exponential growth of genomic data. Second, machine learning and AI. These technologies are increasingly used to analyze complex genomic datasets, improving predictive modeling and data interpretation. Third, integration of multiomics data, combining genomics with proteomics, metabolomics, and transcriptomics for a holistic view of biological system in gaining traction. Then, data visualization tools. Enhanced visualization techniques are being developed to help researchers interpret complex genomic data more intuitively. Then, open source software development. There is a growing trend towards creating accessible bioinformatic tools that can be freely used and modified by researchers worldwide. Then, real-time data analytics. Advances in computational methods allow for real-time analysis of sequencing data as it is generated, facilitating quicker decision-making in clinical settings. Lastly, ethical consideration in genomic data sharing. As genomic data becomes more accessible, discussion around privacy, consent, and ethical use are becoming increasingly important. Now, let's go through key bioinformatic tools. Here are 15 widely used bioinformatic tools in genomic informatics. First, BLAST, Basic Local Alignment Search Tool for comparing nucleotide or protein sequences. Then, BOWTIE, a fast aligner for short DNA sequences. Then, GATK, Genome Analysis Toolkit, a toolkit for variant discovery in high-throughput sequencing data. Fourth, Galaxy, a web-based platform for data-intensive biomedical research. Then, Bioconductor, an R-based project for bioinformatics software. Then, UCSC Genome Browser, a tool for visualizing genomic data. Then, Ensemble, a genome database providing access to genomic information. Then, IGV, Integrative Genomics Viewer, for interactive visualization for large-scale genomic data. Then, Cufflinks, for analyzing RNA sequence data. Then, FastQC, a quality control tool for high-throughput sequence data. Then, SNP-Saurus, a database for SNP, single nucleotide polymorphism information. Then, HaploView, for analyzing haplotype structures. Then, String, a database for known and predicted protein-protein interaction. Then, FastCons, for in identifying conserved elements in multiple alignments. Then MEGA, Molecular Evolutionary Genetic Analysis, for conducting evolutionary analysis. Now, here are some programming languages required in this field. The following programming languages are essential for professional genome informatics. First, Python, widely used for scripting and data analysis due to its simplicity and extensive libraries. Example, BioPython. Then R, popular for statistical analysis and visualization in bioinformatics. Then Java, used in many bioinformatic tools and applications due to its portability. Then Perl, historically significant in bioinformatics scripting, still used in legacy systems. Lastly, C, C++, important for developing high-performance applications that required speed. Moving forward to the skills required and roadmap. To enter the field of genome informatics, individuals should develop the following skills. First, statistical analysis. Proficiency in statistics is crucial for interpreting genomic data. Then, programming skills. Familiarity with at least one programming language, preferably Python and R. Then, data management. Understanding databases and data structures is essential for handling large data sets. Lastly, biological knowledge. A solid foundation in genetics and molecular biology helps contextualize the data analysis. This is a suggested roadmap. First, obtain a degree in biology, bioinformatics, or a related field. Second, learn programming languages, Python or R, through online courses or boot camps. Then, gain experience with bioinformatic tools through internships or projects. Then engage with open source projects to build up practical skills. Then stay updated with recent development through webinars and conferences. Now it's a time for beginner-friendly project ideas. Project idea 1, DNA sequence analysis project. Step 1, choose a dataset from public repositories like NCBI or EMBL. Step 2, use BLAST to identify similar sequences in the database. Step 3. Analyze the results to draw biological conclusions about gene function. Project idea 2. Gene expression visualization. Step 1. Obtain RNA sequence data from repositories like GEO. Step 2. Use R with ggplot2 to visualize gene expression level across different conditions. Step 3. Interpret the visualizations to identify differentially expressed genes. Project idea 3, SNP analysis project. Step 1, select a population dataset containing SNP information, example from SNP database. Then step 2, use HaploView to analyze haplotypes within the dataset. Step 3, report findings on genetic diversity or association with traits. Engaging with these projects will provide practical experience with reinforcing theoretical knowledge. For those interested in advancing their skills further, consider joining our training programs focused on genome informatics and hands-on projects designed to enhance your performance.